Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed something strange? The moment you walk away, the moment you stop calling, the moment you finally choose yourself, suddenly they say they miss you. Suddenly they remember your value. Suddenly they want you back. Where was that energy when you were giving your time, your love, your loyalty every single day? Why do people only feel your absence when you stop showing up? Listen carefully, because this truth might sting a little, but it will set you free. People don't always respect what is available. They respect what they can lose. And the second you remove your presence, reality hits them harder than any speech ever could. Stoic philosophy teaches us something powerful. People wake up when comfort disappears. When you are always there, they relax. When you step back, they reflect. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Your absence is not weakness. It is the obstacle that forces them to see clearly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why they always miss you when you're gone, and more importantly, how to reclaim your power, your dignity, and your emotional control so nobody ever treats you like an option again. Stay with me until the end, because each tip builds your strength piece by piece. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments right now. My absence reveals my value. Number 1. Stop over-giving. Scarcity creates respect. Listen closely and take this seriously. Stop giving so much access to people who have not earned it. Stop answering every call. Stop solving every problem. Stop being available 24/7, like your time has no price. The harsh truth is this: when you overgive, you train others to take you for granted, not because they are evil, but because human nature adapts fast. What is always there becomes invisible. Stoics understood this deeply. Seneca said, "Nothing is worth more than this day. Your time is your life." When you hand it out freely without limits, you are quietly telling people that your life has low value. And people treat it exactly that way. But the moment you pull back, the moment you become less reachable, the moment you stop chasing and start focusing on yourself, something changes. They feel the gap. They feel the silence. They feel the loss. That's when they say they miss you. Not because you begged them to care, but because your absence forced them to notice. This is not a game. This is self-respect. You are not meant to exhaust yourself just to keep someone comfortable. Reclaim your power right now. Set boundaries. Delay replies. Spend more time building your body, your money, your peace, your skills. Let them wonder what you're doing. Let them feel your distance. Scarcity creates respect. Overexposure creates boredom. Choose one day this week where you give zero extra energy to anyone who has not earned it. No chasing, no explaining, no proving. Just focus on you. Watch how people react. That reaction tells you everything. Command yourself to remember this. You are not here to be constantly available. You are here to be valuable. Number 2. Master your emotions. Never beg for attention. Listen carefully, because this step separates the strong from the desperate. The fastest way to lose respect is to chase validation. The second you start texting twice, calling again, explaining yourself, or asking why they changed, you hand over your power, you shrink your presence, you silently say, "Please choose me." And nothing destroys attraction and authority faster than neediness. Stoicism teaches emotional discipline for this exact reason. Epictetus said, "If you want to be strong, learn to be indifferent to what is not in your control." Read that again and let it hit you. You cannot control who values you. You cannot force someone to care. You cannot convince a distracted mind to see your worth. So stop trying. Command your heart to stand still. When they pull away, do not panic. When they go quiet, do not react. When they act cold, do not chase warmth. Stay calm. Stay grounded. Stay silent. Your composure will shake them more than any long message ever could. Emotional control is magnetic. Desperation is repulsive. Think about it like this. The person who looks unbothered holds the power. The person begging for reassurance loses leverage. So train yourself. Breathe before responding. Delay replies. Journal your feelings instead of sending paragraphs. Go to the gym, take a walk, channel that energy into growth, not pursuit. Make this your rule. Never beg, never plead, never explain your value. If someone cannot see it naturally, they are not meant to hold space in your life. Your calmness is strength. Your restraint is dominance. Your silence is self-respect. Act like the prize, not the applicant. Now I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments right now. I control my emotions, and I never chase attention. Number 3, let actions speak. Stop believing words. Pay attention right now, because this lesson will save you years of confusion and heartbreak. People can say anything. They can promise forever, swear loyalty, talk about missing you, and still disappear when you need them most. Words are cheap. Anyone can speak them. Real character shows up through behavior. Stoic philosophy warns us not to be fooled by appearances. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one." Notice what he said. Be one. Not talk like one. Not claim it. Show it. That is the standard you must hold for everyone in your life. Stop analyzing texts. Number 4. Protect your time like it is gold. Listen carefully and take this seriously, because this rule changes everything. Your time is not cheap, not unlimited, not something people get just because they ask. Your hours are pieces of your life. Once spent, they never return. Every minute you give away carelessly is a piece of yourself you will never get back. Stop handing it out like it means nothing. The moment you start guarding your schedule, people begin to treat you differently. Stoicism teaches that life is short and fragile. Seneca warned, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Read that again. Waste much of it. That waste often comes from giving energy to people who only show up when they feel lonely or bored. Do not allow that anymore. Set boundaries and enforce them without apology. Do not jump when someone suddenly says they miss you. Do not cancel your plans just to prove you care. Do not sit by your phone waiting. Stand up and build your own world. Fill your days with growth, learning, work, health, and peace. Make your calendar so valuable that only those who truly respect you get access. When you become selective, you become powerful. Scarcity creates value. Availability destroys it. Command yourself to say no more often. Command yourself to walk away sooner. Command yourself to invest in what actually moves your life forward. The right people will adjust. The wrong ones will disappear. Let them. That is clarity, not loss. Treat every hour like gold and watch how your confidence rises. Stop begging for attention. Start protecting your time like a fortress. Number 5. Control your emotions before they control you. Stop letting your feelings drag you around like a leash. Every time someone disappears, comes back, says they miss you, then vanishes again, your heart jumps, your mind races, and suddenly they control your mood without even trying. That is not love. That is emotional slavery. Break it now. Stoicism is clear about this. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Freedom starts inside. If a text message can ruin your day or make you desperate, you are not in charge yet. So take command. When they reach out, slow down. Do not react fast. Do not overthink. Do not imagine stories. Breathe. Observe. Respond with calm logic, not impulse. Train yourself to pause before speaking. Count to 10. Step away from your phone. Ask one simple question. Does this action protect my dignity or weaken it? If it weakens you, don't do it. Emotions are natural, but they must obey you, not lead you. You are not here to chase anyone or prove your worth. You are here to stand steady like a mountain. Practice discipline daily. Wake up early. Exercise. Keep promises to yourself. These small victories build inner strength. The stronger your inner world becomes, the less outside behavior shakes you. When you master your reactions, people lose the power to manipulate you. That is true control. That is true confidence. Command your heart to be steady. Command your mind to be clear. Command your actions to be intentional. No more emotional chaos. No more begging energy. Walk in calm authority. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments right now. I control my emotions. Nothing controls me. Number 6. Make your life so full that no one becomes your center. Listen carefully. The reason someone's absence hurts so much is not because they are special. It is because your world became too small. You gave them too much space in your mind, your schedule, your focus. When one person becomes your center, their distance feels like collapse. That is dangerous. That is dependence, and dependence destroys power. Stoicism teaches strength through self-sufficiency. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself." Read that again. Within yourself. Not in their calls, not in their validation, not in their attention. Build a life so rich that nobody's presence or absence can shake your foundation. Fill your days with purpose. Work on your body. Train hard. Learn new skills. Read books that sharpen your thinking. Grow your money. Create projects that excite you. Spend time with people who respect you. Chase goals that make you proud. When your schedule is full of growth, you will not sit around wondering who misses you. You will be too busy becoming unstoppable. This is how you flip the power dynamic. Instead of waiting for someone to choose you, you choose yourself every single day. Instead of checking your phone, you check your progress. Instead of hoping they come back, you move forward so fast they struggle to keep up. Become so focused that distractions lose their grip. Become so driven that loneliness has no space to live. Make your life an empire, not a waiting room. Stand tall, expand your world, refuse to shrink for anyone. Number 7. Master your emotions, or they will master you. Stop letting your feelings drag you around like a leash. Stop reacting. Stop chasing. Stop panicking when someone pulls away. Control yourself. Right now, because the person who controls their emotions controls their entire life. Everyone else is just a puppet of mood swings and impulses. Stoic philosophy is crystal clear about this. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Freedom is not about who stays or who leaves. Freedom is about discipline over your inner world. When they disappear and your chest tightens, breathe and stand firm. When they send a late message and you feel excited, stay calm. When they test you with mixed signals, do not flinch, do not beg, do not explain, do not overthink. Hold your frame like a mountain. Your silence, your steadiness, your composure must intimidate chaos. Train yourself daily. Wake up and practice restraint. Delay reactions. Pause before speaking. Count to 10 before answering emotional texts. Hit the gym to burn stress out of your body. Journal your thoughts so they do not control you. Meditate so your mind becomes sharp and quiet. This is not softness. This is strength. Emotional control is power. When you stop reacting, people lose their grip on you. They can no longer manipulate you with attention or withdrawal. You become unpredictable, grounded, unshakable, and that energy commands respect without a single word. Become cold when needed. Become calm when tested. Become steady, no matter what storms hit. Do not give anyone the satisfaction of seeing you lose control. Stand still. Own yourself. Lead yourself. Number 8. Build a life so full that nobody becomes your center. Listen carefully. The final step is the most powerful one. Stop making anyone the center of your world. Stop arranging your days around someone else's attention. Stop waiting for calls, texts, or signs. That waiting energy weakens you. It shrinks you. It turns you into an option. And you were never meant to be an option. You were meant to be a priority in your own life. When your schedule is empty, your mind runs back to them. When your purpose is unclear, you crave validation. That is why absence hurts so much. Not because they are special, but because your world is too small. So expand it. Make your life so rich, so busy, so meaningful that nobody's presence or absence can shake your balance. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Do not talk about becoming better. Act. Fill your days with training, learning, building, creating. Chase skills, start projects, read hard books, travel alone, meet strong people, stack small wins daily, grow your money, protect your health, strengthen your spirit. When your life is full, you stop chasing crumbs, you stop tolerating disrespect, you stop begging for connection, because you are already complete. And here's the truth people do not say out loud. When you stop centering them, they start noticing you more. When you detach, your value rises. When you walk away focused, they feel the loss. But you must not do this for revenge. Do it for freedom. Do it because you deserve a powerful life. Build something so meaningful that if anyone leaves, nothing collapses. Stand on your own feet. Own your time. Own your path. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. My life is full. My focus is mine, and I am the center of my world. So let me ask you one last question, and I want you to feel it in your chest before you answer. Why are you still giving power to people who only remember your value when you disappear? Why are you shrinking yourself just to be noticed by someone who only calls when you walk away? That stops today, right now. This moment is your turning point. You have learned the truth. When you stop chasing, they chase. When you stop explaining, they listen. When you protect your time, your worth rises. Silence is not weakness. Distance is not loss. These are tools. These are weapons. These are shields that protect your peace. The Stoics knew this. Epictetus said, "No person is free who is not master of himself." That is your mission now. Master yourself. Guard your energy. Choose who gets access to you. Stop overgiving. Stop overproving. Stop overthinking. Walk calmly. Speak less. Do more. Let your actions talk so loud that nobody dares to doubt you again. Build a life that feels strong even when you are alone, because the moment you stop needing them is the moment you become unstoppable. If this message hit you, don't just watch and forget. Take action. Apply one tip today. Reclaim 1 hour of your time today. And if you're ready to grow stronger every day, hit subscribe and join this journey. I want you to drop this final affirmation in the comments. I protect my time, I control my life, and I choose my worth.